In this video you will learn how to use network node path for a task executor. Drag and drop a source, queue, task executor and sync. Connect source to queue using a connection. Make a connection between the queue and the sync. After making the connection, drag and drop two network nodes. To build the network path, make a connection between the network nodes. Connect the first network node to the queue and the second network node to the sync. To assign the network node to the task executor, make a connection between task executor and the network node. To use task executor for material transport, check the Use Transport option in the queue. Add the task executor reference using the eyedropper. Press Reset and run the model. Now you will be seeing the task executor following the network node path. Thank you for watching.